I got a 6L80 that came in, had 120 some odd thousand miles on it. Complaint was would shift 1, 2, 3, wouldn't even try to shift into 4th, no codes. So I'm thinking probably a bad techm. But we went ahead and did the Sure Cure kit. That's what the video was of me putting the Sure Cure kit in. We stuck it back in the vehicle. Of course, the converter was coming apart like they always do. Stuck it back in the vehicle, shifted 1, 2. It was shifting the 3rd if you really forced it, but it wouldn't shift past that. No codes. So we had another one in here, and we swapped the valve body and techm, which you would think shouldn't work. But it worked. The truck went down the road, so we took this valve body and techm was going to put in the other one we took it out of, and still had that issue. We got a valve body for it, put it on there, and it works to an extent. I mean, it shifts, and once it gets hot, it doesn't want to engage. It's got really bad delayed engagements. So there's got to be something wrong with this valve body. So I come and I took all the valves out of the valve body. I don't see nothing there. Called up a buddy of mine, asking him if he'd run into this situation. And as I'm sitting there talking with him on the phone, I don't know if this is it or not, but we're going to try it. And I don't know if it's going to show up on the video or not. If you look right here, you can see the two halves are different. And if you look right up in here, you can see where the rotor from the end mill, where it shaved this down. You can see marks where it was. And if you look on this one, you can see the same thing. Look at that big ass mark right there. Like it's not right. It's two different heights. You see in here it's different. So I'm going to take my flat stone and I'm going to flat file this thing and see if that takes care of it. Alright, I've been honing on this for about 45 minutes, almost an hour. This side's looking really good. This side looks like shit. I've been on this the longest. You see that mark right there? If you get real close, you can see it. It's a pass with that cutter. And it's just still way down in there. And this thing is bad. Never seen one this bad. It really showed up once I started flat sanding it. I didn't see this one at first. It's about 30 minutes of flat sanding on this side and it still looks like crap. Let's see if we can get it out. Alright, we're about an hour and a half in. Finally got that area out. Tell you what, this whole area from about right here all the way around to right there was horrible. I don't think I was ever going to get that out of there. It looks pretty good now. Now, put it back together and see if we cured our problem.